accredited to our club, and Karen is interested in scenting with prizes. So we encourage you, please, next week, if you forgot this week, the jars will be on the table again. The slips will be on the table again to indicate that you made a donation. Sit with the same people next week if you would please. Try to sit with the same people one time, just try. And if you can't, just make sure you indicate that you made a donation so that we are able to keep track of it. All of the money will go to RI on behalf of our club for polio eradication. And just as a short aside, I was in Los Angeles last week for business visiting my Aunt Kathleen, who is a polio survivor. She was in an iron lung. It has impacted my family very directly. We still have, I think now, 12 cases of wild polio in the United States. When those 12 are gone, as you all know, then we have to wait 3 years before we can say that we, as Rotarians, eliminated that disease from this planet. So please give, if you can. We can take checks, we can take bills, and Chris can take a credit card and we can credit it to you from that method as well. So please donate as much as you're able, and I thank you in advance.
Thank you, Kim. The reason we're asking you to sign up on the little sheet on the table is so that we know which table is eligible for the rewards we have, and we'll announce that next week. So that's the reason we're saying sit at the same table. Put your name on that list so that we know to whom we can give these awards. When Kim called me about doing this, it evoked a memory that I really want to share with the club, because I think it's important for what we do as Rotarians. When she said she wanted to collect money in a jar, pocket change for Polio Plus, it took me back to my childhood. I was in 1st or 2nd grade, and I don't know how many of you remember the telethons that Jerry Lewis used to run on TV. And then locally, your TV station would pick up on that. Well, it happens my birthday is in January. My mother, not me, my mother decided that she would ask the guests, instead of bringing me a birthday present, would they please bring change for Polio Plus? And I think that was my first introduction to what service is all about. The only penny I got out of it was I got to go to the TV station and the jar of change. But it's the message to me. Again, the same message we can send to our children. We're Rotarians because we believe in service and helping people who are less fortunate than we are. How many of us have a personal relationship in our families, as Kim mentioned, with polio? I know Ed and I do. How many others? So it's not foreign to us. And we want to get rid of this darn disease. So let's try and dig deeper. We'll send out more reminders. You can give more than once next week because you might have change from the week. And you can, as Kim said, you can put a credit card, you can put bills. We just want to make a dent in ending polio. Thank you. One other thing that Kim is doing is live streaming what we're doing today, because RI is publicizing this around the world, and I think what we're doing is so fun, and so I appreciate her doing that as well. So those who have announcements, would you be coming up? I know that Chris did, and Larry has an important statement.